Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And first, you can use the volume buttons. They are located on the left side. When you click on the volume up, you can just take the photos. When you click and hold this button, you are going to record the video. When you use the volume down button, we can also take the photos. When you click and hold it, we are going also to record the video. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can do this by pinching screen with your fingers, but also you are able to click and hold on already selected preset and you will have this slider. So right now you can manually zoom in or zoom out by using this slider, and as you can see, it looks very smooth. The transition between the lenses looks amazing actually. It even looks like there's no any transition, so that's probably that's the best zoom feature that I've seen in any phone. Okay, next, when you click on the screen, you will have this sun icon, and you can simply decrease or increase brightness level. You can also just click on the screen to adjust the brightness level automatically. Next, when you click on the right upper corner, you are able to turn on or off the live photos. When you take the live photo and you want to open it, you have to open the gallery. Okay, for some reason I'm not here, but never mind. So that's the live photo. You will get the notification in the left upper corner, and you have to click and hold on this photo. As you can see, it's like short video recorded before shutter take the photo. Next, we can also click right here when we can find other parameters and options. Like for example, we can add the shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. That's the countdown, and also the flash countdown. Right here we are also able to adjust the exposure between +2 and -2. Here we can change the aspect ratio. It's always the best to stay with the 4:3 to get the best quality of your photos. Right here we've got some kind of the filters. As you can see, here we can also adjust the manually these parameters right here, so that's pretty cool. That's the live photo option that I just showed you, and here we can turn on or off the flashlight. Let's close these options. Okay, and we can also find other useful modes, like for example the cinematic mode, the slow motion, the time-lapse. And if you are looking for more options of your camera, you have to open the settings. So we have to scroll down until we find camera application. There it is. And as you can see here, we can change the quality of the videos. So we can even record videos in the 4K at 60 frames per second. You've got also other options, like for example, you can activate the action mode for the lower light. When you go for the slow motion, we are also able to switch between 120 and 240 frames per second. On the cinematic mode, we've got the 4K 24 and 30 frames per second. Here we've got the formats, so we can change the photo format. As you can see, we've got the 24, 12 megapixel, but we can also turn on this option right here to get the resolution control, and we are also able to take the photos with 48 megapixel. And there's also the Apple ProRAW option right here with the HDR, SDR or log. When you go back, we can find other options. So I just show you that we can take the photos or record videos by using these buttons, but we can also take the series of the photos. So let me show you. Right now, when I turn it on and hold this button, I'm gonna take a lot of photos in very short time. When you want to just check the preview of these photos, well, let me show you. So where this will probably in the camera, selfies, live photos, time-lapse, nope, bursts. There we are. So I was taking these photos, and as you can see, we've got the information how many photos we take. That's the 55 photos. And when you click on the edit button, Now you can adjust this first photo that is right here. When you click on the select, you can just find the preview of all of these photos that you take, and each dot right here, I recommend you the best shot. Next, we can just go back to the settings, where we can also enable and disable the grid lines and the camera leveler. And when you scroll down at the bottom, also we can find this photographic styles. And when you scroll down one more time, we've got other options like this main camera equivalent, and also the macro control. So it will basically automatically switch to the ultra wide camera to capture the macro photos and the video modes. And yeah, honestly, that's all for the camera tips and tricks for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hope you like it.